Good day to all employers in Hong Kong. My name is Luz Vemenda. I am 38 years old. I am married with 2 kids, ages 5 and 1 year old. I am a college graduate with a degree of Business Administration. I have work experience here in the Philippines for 6 years with 2 employers. My main duties are taking care of the kids, preparing their meals, feeding them, assisting them in the bathroom, sending them to school, tutoring them, cleaning and organizing their stuff. I also do household chores like general cleaning, cooking, ironing, laundering clothes, marketing, and gardening. I love kids and I love pets. You can trust me because I am hardworking, I am flexible, I am fast learner, and I can work without supervision. To all my future employers, if you will hire me, I will promise to do my duties and responsibilities. I will always be humble, kind, and respectful. I will follow all your house rules and regulations. Ma'am and sir, if you will choose me, I will promise that I will always be kind, caring, and patient to your children. I will love them and treat them as my own child. I hope you will choose me and I will give you my best. Thank you, ma'am and sir.